BMW Z4 concept, because before there were so many people here all around that it was impossible to really film here and get some cool shots. But right now all the people are starting to clear up, and you can see the car, you can walk around the car with no big problems. As you can see, this is all carbon fiber here, polished BMW kidneys with this interesting design right here. It's matte orange, or maybe satin orange finish with these non-glossy wheels right here. Again, carbon fiber here in the back. Really interesting mirror designs. You can't get enough of it. Car is actually, interior is actually made in two different colors, black leather and orange leather. Right here, the light is actually very interesting. It goes around this main curve, and it looks incredible. Great exhaust tips, again brushed aluminum, carbon fiber down here. As you can see, there is an F1 style brake, center brake light, and again BMW concept Z4. Alright, and here are the vents from the wheels. Let's try to look into the interior. Interior reminds me of a little bit futurized and simplified BMW 7 interior or BMW 5 interior right now. So basically, new design. The wheel is really interesting because the center of the wheel is way back. I don't know if that would actually work in real life because of the airbag. Let's actually have a look at this curve right here. It looks so good.
Hallo, schönen Abend, BMW.